2018 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, heated front seats, fog lights, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, CD player, security system, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.